Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500 guys with automatic transmission. And if you need to find where the fuses are located, stay with us, we'll cover that today. You will have up to 2 fuses, make sure you check both of them. We'll explain why it's super important to test the fuse guys. Let's say you pull it out, you look at it and it looks fine, you put it back in, but it's actually a bad fuse. You will end up spending time and money to fix a problem when all we had to do is test the fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So I will put a link to a special video that explains and it will teach you how to test the car fuse in just a few seconds. Super easy guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So what do we have guys here? This is a 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth. That Abarth, okay, even if you have a Abarth or non-Abarth, the version will be the same for the fuse box. It will work on multiple years Fiat 500 guys. So right here, that's the main fuse box. You have one more fuse box that's located inside the vehicle if you want to know where the fuse box is located, okay, on a Fiat 500, and where the fuses are located. Check out the video on the channel where are the fuses on Fiat 500. So what do we have guys here now? This is actually the fuse box that we have specifically. So let me get something to point with. When you remove the cover, you can see, the good news is you see the fuse numbers listed on the back. Bad news, they're not in order and they don't tell you what it's for. We need to check 2 fuses now for the transmission. Now, some of those guys, okay, may differ, but it will work on multiple years and generations. The first fuse will be number F16, F16, the third fuse from top to bottom on the left side. So if you come all the way on the left side right here and you count, the third fuse will be that 7.5 amp fuse that you need to check. That's the first transmission fuse that you need to check. Another fuse that you have that you need to check for the transmission will be fuse number F84, right here, F84. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th fuse from bottom to top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The one that we're missing right here. That's the fuse that you need to check guys if you have automatic transmission Fiat 500. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.